There's Cody making his cat food stack. His tower, almost as tall as him. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Good job, Cody. Yay. That's pretty impressive. You have to be careful. It's going to topple over. Cody. Hi. Hi. You say hi to Grandma? You say hi, Grandma? Go ahead. Stack it up. Oh, good job. How many is that? Let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's just as tall as you. Look at that. You're so cute. I'm going to send this to Dad, huh? Send this to Daddy. Oh, we're going to do one more? Oh boy. Let's see. Let's see if 22 is a charm. I better keep those shoes on, huh? All right. Yay, Cody.